2021 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack Widebody first test. But before we start, please support us by pressing the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can continue to provide information about car and motorcycle news. Also turn on the bell button to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. Think of the 2021 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack Widebody as a rolling frat party. It's National Lampoon's Animal House on ultra-fat tires. Sidebar, can you imagine the Deathmobile D-Day could make out of this? Everything about the Dodge Charger 392 is loud, obnoxious, uncouth, politically incorrect, antisocial, and marvelous. It rolls off the assembly line on double secret probation, and every revolution of its 6.4-liter naturally aspirated noisemaker is a tiny Bluto devil whispering bad ideas in the driver's ear. The Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack Widebody variant is one we somehow missed out on testing when it hit the market for 2020. We'll blame the pandemic. The 21 volts widebody package adds $5,995 to the price of a Dodge Charger 392 and includes fender flares, a competition suspension with adaptive damping, Brembo six-piston brakes, a performance shift indicator, and 305 35 20-inch performance tires on 11x 20-inch forged aluminum Devil's Rim wheels. This gear all comes standard on the even naughtier Charger Hellcat and pure evil Charger Hellcat Redeye. The very instant this devilish 2021 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack Widebody arrived in our parking lot, we drove it right up onto a U-Haul car trailer hitched to our long-term 2021 Truck of the Year Ram 1500 TRX, its sidewalls rubbing the outer edges of the trailer on both sides. We then pointed this diabolical rig north toward Ubley Dragway in Michigan's thumb to record some numbers. Drag strip setup. We test a lot of cars that'll lay down acceleration run after acceleration run differing by only a couple tenths, but the 2021 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack Widebody is one that rewards taking some time to try out all the drag strip options. Like the line lock feature that lets you firmly apply the brakes, and then holds only the fronts while you roast the rears to heat them up for a run. Or the fully programmable launch control system that allows you to choose what RPM the car will launch at during a brake torque, pedal overlap, start. The available rev range spans from 1,200 to 3,300 revolutions per minute. While we were at an official drag strip, we did not launch in the Christmas tree area, which is prepped with a resin-based compound called PJ1 Track Bite, formerly known as VHT, that gives drag racing slick tires their wheelie-inducing bite. On the normal asphalt pavement ahead of the launch box and at the opposite end of the strip, when running backward, heating the tires with a burnout did not improve our times. And as for the launch control revs, on dry asphalt less is more. Our best run involved a launch at about 1,300 revolutions per minute and maybe 2/3 throttle, with judicious roll-on to full throttle only as the tires hooked up. It's hard to imagine a surface that would reward a 3,300 revolutions per minute launch with anything but a dense cloud of Pirelli P0 smoke. How quick and how fast is the Charger Scat Pack Widebody? We tripped the satellite calculated quarter-mile lights in 12.7 seconds at 110.7 miles per hour, passing through 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds and 100 miles per hour in 10.1 seconds along the way. Understand those figures reflect software that subtracts a 1-foot rollout and applies a weather correction, in this case a mild one, primarily correcting for the 78% humidity, as the 73-degree temperature and 29.53 in Hg barometric pressure measured very near the standards we correct to. It's unclear whether the Dodge Performance Page's drag racing app computes a rollout or any weather correction. The car has an exterior thermometer, but somehow the app recorded 4.3 seconds to 60 miles per hour, 10.1 seconds to 100 miles per hour, and a 12.8 second 107 mile per hour quarter-mile run. That level of accuracy certainly suggests the car is only reading the front wheel speed sensors, not the spinning rears. How well does the Scat Pack Widebody stop and turn? Marginally better than the narrow body and about as well as a Charger Hellcat Redeye on the same wide tires. Our best stop from 60 miles per hour on Ubley's pavement measured 107 feet, precisely the same as the Redeye. Ditto max lateral acceleration, which measured 0.94 grams. Sadly, we don't presently have a Michigan venue that can accommodate our figure 8 course, but we can imagine this 2021 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack Widebody will only trail its Hellcat big brother by a smidge, if at all. It's 312 horsepower, 232 pound-to-foot engine output deficit would likely slow corner exits by just a bit more than its 116 pound weight advantage helps it in the transitions. How does it stack up against the competition? Come on. There is no competition. Pontiac's G8 came close, but the last of those was built in June 2009. The sedans that come close on power are smaller and a little more expensive. Sedans this big and powerful are a lot more expensive.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.